Hey everybody, it's Jeannie from Jeannie's Power. Alright, I got these beads here, these half beads I want to use for this. And I want to turn you down so you can see. Let's see here. I do want to paint this canvas first. And I won't take up a whole lot of your time doing that. You know how I love to spend a lot of time on these backgrounds. Let's do some green. Let's do this light green, Master's Touch paint. I'll put that on my yucky palette over here. I don't know, we'll see how it turns out. And I am going to add some white. And this is just craft paint. Oh no, it might be a bad choice. I think I know what I want to do. I'm going to do something fun. That's the plan anyway. So I'm going to grab both those colors on my brush at once. And I'm going to, well, let's get these edges first. And I'm trying my best not to get paint on my new pink shirt. I have a lot of pink shirts, but this one is new. It's new, and I don't want paint on it. I guess I shouldn't want it. I think I'm going to get me a smock instead of an apron. I think that, because I end up with paint everywhere. I don't know, the apron doesn't do me any good. Really, I mean, maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit, because you can see I got paint all over this. I'd have paint, but I still manage to get paint. Okay, so now we got green. Then we'll just take and grab my paints again. Not mixed, just on the brush. And we're just going to exit on here. Just like that. I'm thinking, yeah, I'm going to just keep going. I'm trying to get rid of some of those brush strokes so it looks a little prettier. I do like that. I like it. It looks a vintage kind of green look to us too. It's just too much. I don't like that. So I'm going to grab some white. It's still a little bit damp. I'm going to put that on there and try to tone it down a little bit. Maybe make our center a little bit lighter. And then the outside, let's see here. Going kind of fast because I don't want it to dry like this big blob here. Let's grab a little green. Still kind of doing X's and lines. Once, okay, I like that much better. You can't really tell with the lighting in here because I've got it so bright, but it is lighter in the center. Half beads here, and we're gonna put them on here. I'm gonna see if I can do it upside down so it looks like you. If I put these beads on the canvas like this, I could go back and put resin on the inside of the heart once I get all the stuff in there. So anyway, my thought was I could fill resin in once I get all my other stuff in there I want to put in there. But I'm going to have to slide it over some because that's going to drive me bonkers with it. Like that. Let's slide it. Just, I hate to start sliding because you know what's going to happen. So, now, I like this a lot. Put this back in there. I think it's pretty. Let's see about gluing these down. I'm looking for my glue sticks because that could be a problem. Right? Does it look good from your angle? It's like a macaroni heart. Did y'all ever make stuff like that with macaroni? My mom used to get those different shaped ones, and we would make stuff with the different shapes. Alright. Okie dokie dokie. Paint them gold, and I have here Dixie Belle Moonshine Metallic, a gold digger. Alright, there we go. We got us a gold heart. A gold heart. Let's see here now. I've got some little flowers if I can get them out. I know somewhere I have some pink ones, but we're going to use these here. Alright, let's just use these wire cutters. Cut that off. Might put these on this side since I got that gold paint. And I don't remember where I got these flowers. I think at Hobby Lobby. They are paper. They're paper. I'll make sure we have them where we want them before we stick them down. let's slide these down. Let's get them glued on. Glue. See how this works out with these little glass, crushed glass things. I think I should have painted it pink. You'll see that. See where this is going. Come back. All right. This is what we got going on, y'all have. I don't know if I like this color with it. This blue. I don't know. I don't know that I like that. What do y'all think? It's kind of a... I don't know. We can put it on and see, right? It's not permanent, right? I think it's pretty. Real pretty. Put some resin on it. Let me see what I can do over here. I don't know. Just putting some Mod Podge. It won't hold it like a real strong hold, but it'll give me a guide where to put it. Resin on it. It's a canvas. This. And the flat beads and then the glass, and it's got some little cheap beads in there too. And after the live I added my pearls. I think it turned out fantastic. I love it.
This video is part of a playlist hosted by Funky Junk Inspiration, The Painted Peach, and myself. Our challenge was to create with mixed media. I think I met the challenge with a canvas, paint, glass, plastic, paper, wood, and resin. The link to the entire playlist is in my description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more creative inspiration and tutorials.